Welcome to the Tonic demo. You can serve up as many different types of surveys as you want on the same iPad. As you see here, Tonic is great for a wide range of applications like patient intake, patient screening, patient satisfaction, patient-reported outcomes, academic research, and more. Basically anything you can think of. The demo we'll show you today is a standard patient intake form, otherwise known as the boring clipboard in the doctor's office. This is our welcome screen, the first screen a patient sees. You can have video playing anywhere on this screen. Also, every last stitch of content in the survey you see here today is 100% customizable by you using our best-in-class survey builder. Tonic is based on a simple premise. If you create high patient engagement, you create better data. If you create better data, you create better care. So how do we create patient engagement? By pairing contextually relevant graphics with text. The result is that patients really want to answer the next question. They can't wait to see what happens next. It also works great for lower income, lower education patient population groups, as well as geriatrics and people who have never used an iPad because it boosts contextual understanding of each of the questions being asked. And when you create patient engagement, you create higher completion rates and more accurate data than ever before. And then you can do a host of beneficial things with that data, like segmenting patient population groups, patient screening, real-time population management, and more. Note that all the questions are fully customizable, of course. We're just showing you some example questions here, but you can ask any question you want. Tonic is there simply to bring your questions to life. The Tonic platform can even conduct real-time risk assessments based on the answer a patient gives, meaning a patient can be screened for a variety of conditions before they even leave the waiting room. Our survey engine can run any algorithm for any condition. By the way, no data lives on the iPad. Though Tonic is a native iPad app, the data is wiped off the machine every time the patient hits submit. This data can then be sent to an existing EHR, a separate client database, or Tonic's proprietary cloud-based backend, all of which is HIPAA secure, of course. What else is cool is that because Tonic serves up the surveys or questionnaires from the cloud, one iPad can be used for an infinite amount of surveys, questionnaires, or forms, and you can create all your own surveys or tweak an existing template using our online survey builder. One click and you deploy to all your surveys in the field. We, of course, also have a web version as well, so you can send out a link to a patient to fill out on any browser on any computer. Here's an example of Likert scales where we're using colors and iconography as a way to connote meaning. When your patient is done with the survey, they hit the done button, and you can easily do e-consent using Tonic as well. In fact, the patient can fill out any desired fields and just go ahead and sign using their finger. Tonic will also take that signature and transpose it onto an actual form. Here is the final screen for the patient where he or she reviews their answers to make sure all is correct. They're able to edit answers from this screen as well. The patient then hits submit when all looks good. You can also choose to include this screen or not. You can also choose to include a survey satisfaction screen if you're doing a Tonic pilot. It's a way to measure patient satisfaction with Tonic versus your other current data collection solutions. I can tell you that Tonic does exceptionally well. Our average score across all of our customer base is well over 9 out of 10. The last screen needs to say, please return your iPad to the nurse's desk. We thought this would be an odd way to end a survey experience that is based on patient engagement. So we created a game where the patient literally needs to drag their iPad through the maze to return it to the nurse's desk. This game can easily be turned on or off using our survey builder. It's up to you whether to include it. Thanks so much for joining the Tonic demo. If you want to see more and experience it for yourself, don't forget to download the free demo by clicking on the download button on this website or visiting iTunes. Thanks so much.